What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called Solar, also known as SXP, which has gained nearly 20% in value in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just below 81 cents, and as you can see, it is the top gainer on the Binance website. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it time to sell it? Is it time to hold on to it? Looking at its next targets, is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? So on and so on. And looking at both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can SXP go? And is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and as you can see here, in the last hour itself, we managed to gain just about 0.2% in value, nothing major. Over the last day, 20%. Over the week, 200%. Guys, as you can see, consistently gaining value over the last 7 days. And again, it's literally pumps here and another pump the day after, and consistently gaining value every single day for the past 7 days, which is absolutely crazy. And over the month, it has gone up 172%. So it's literally gone from about 23 cents all the way up to 80 cents right now in a space of about a couple of weeks. And can it hit the dollar mark? Because as you can see, that is its next target. And if so, when is it likely to hit the dollar mark, or is it going to crash back down in value? That's what a lot of people are looking into the project. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 8% in the last 24 hours, making it $773 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Solar, meaning a lot more people are looking into the project as it's one of the top gainers. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it as it is getting a lot of attention and is one of the top gainers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Solar, which at the moment is here in purple at 41 cents. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here in green, at more than double its SMA indicator value, at 84 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. And again, yes, it does say SXP and then swipe, so yeah, just ignore that, it is Solar, guys. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer as usual, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange are looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep. As you can see, the only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 12 to 14 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value at its current rate pace. But however, that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting Solar to go for an increase in value, but again, nothing major. But I'm also expecting a little bit of dropbacks in between the next 12 to 14 hours, dropping down to about 80 cents and then pumping back up to about 87 to 88 cents is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So do expect minimal increase in value over the next 12 to 14 hours, but do expect red candles in between as well. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, once again, we're looking very bullish, very positive, and again, it's looking quite steep as well, meaning it's not realistic. Again, exact same reason applies here. The only reason is why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last couple of days. So yes, even though I am expecting it to carry on increasing in value over the coming days, I am expecting it to take a little bit of a step back or drop back down in value over the next 24 to 48, 72 hours, let's say over the next few days, down to about 70 cents, and then slowly starting to gain value, potentially heading to $1 towards the very end of the week or early next week. Again, this depends on how the crypto market performs in general. For example, if there's a major crash or a major bull run or anything like that, that can have a major impact on the value of SXP. But at the moment, I'm expecting it to head up to the dollar mark towards the end of the week and early next week as well. So it's going to be a slow and steady gain in value up to about the $1 mark towards the end of this week. Now, let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking even more steep, guys, meaning once again it's not realistic. Only reason is exact same reason as the last two charts, it's not realistic, so guys. So over the next couple of weeks, so let's say by mid to late May 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value on Solar, but nothing too crazy. It is going to be a minimal increase in value. We should be trading around the $2.20 target by late May, early June 2023, but this depends on how the crypto market performs, as I mentioned earlier. But so far so good for Solar. But again, guys, do expect red candles in between, and there may be a day where it takes a little bit of a huge step back in value. Again, if I am able to predict that, I will of course keep you guys updated on, so make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications. But at the moment, it's looking quite good for Solar over the coming days and weeks as well. But in between, do expect red candles, as I keep mentioning, because guys, only because I'm expecting it to keep increasing in value, it doesn't mean it's not going to take any red candles or any step backs in between. Of course it will, and yeah, it can be any time, but I'll try and keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. If you guys want regular updates, let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Solar, guys. What we're going to do now is get the Fibonacci scale out just to do some technical analysis to see where this crypto could potentially head up to over the next couple of months, and also towards the end of the year as well. As you can see, we are currently trading in the red zone, and we are indeed in the just about mid part of the red zone. We're not too low because we did manage to gain value over the last week or two, and we are heading up to the green zone, which we're gonna have to hit $1.54 to hit the resistance target here, which we should be able to hit by mid-year. I would say we should be able to hit the resistance target and potentially head into the green zone in Q3 of 2023 is when I'm expecting Solar to be heading into the green zone. However, as I mentioned, this depends on how the crypto market performs, and of course how Bitcoin performs. As you can see, very close to hitting $30,000, which we can hopefully hit over the coming weeks as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick one on Solar. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year, and at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.